Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS ki Manfete Organizing Committee na sinduna jai khudingi pangtok tuna lakliba Manfete ngasidagi Manipur University ki Centenary Hall da houkhre lakliba April ki tarik kungani pa namit humni chupna chathagadaba Manfete English singani ga supna kunga homdoi thoroma singase Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh, Manipur University ki Dean of Social Science Thoiding Jam Punima Devi, Manipur University ki Dean of Students Welfare M. Premjit Singh, Manipur University ki Registrar W. Chandababu Singh, MUSU ki President Thokchom Sonamani Singh, Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS ki Director L. Prabhakar Singh yauna tongan ba mahiroi kayana sarukyaki. Thoromadada sarukyaki ba MU ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Nahai, Manipur ki tongan ba institution Singh dagi laktuna saruk Manfete asida sarukyari. Manfete asi yamna phaba amani loinana satra mayamna laklaka anoba wakhalon kayama puthoknaduna utnabagi tanjama chauna fangali haiki.
How the organizers have tried to generate resources for the conduct of the program, and Manfete has also been instrumental in the last some years in identifying a number of our talents, particularly young boys and girls, for the industries like say the Manhunt program, or many of the beauty contest programs. So in many ways Manfete has been instrumental in giving new ideas to our students of the state in different institutions across the state of Manipur.